Alright, we are here at the historic Carlton building in Colorado Springs, and look what we got. Armor fixtures. Circor Armor. Here it is. Wow, that's some nice leveling. Interesting shape. Look at that. Oh, right here. And this is a Dover. 60s Dover. 5? Kinda rattly, but this is cool. Listen to that relay. Look. If only the fan wasn't on so you could hear the relays better. Here's a view of your fixtures. Very nice, very vintage 60s Dover with these Circor Armor fixtures. This thing's a bit rattly and isn't exactly in the greatest shape, but whoa! Now that was a power stop. But it's original, it deserves to stay. Whatever you do to the owners of this building, don't mob this, please. And of course, because it's vintage and cool, we're taking it for another spin. It's very bumpy and rattly, and it does power stop, but I say it gives it character. A beauty. Whoa. One more time. Maybe another after. I don't know. This time I'm just gonna get a view of the buttons. Absolutely amazing elevator. And 5 goes out. And it levels. I'm gonna look at an intermediate call station on 2, even though there already is one in the lobby, but just to show a different landing. And you got a newer 88 phone, which is not original, but other than that, totally untouched. Here's one of the hallways, very historic and vintage. Listen. Not sure if you can hear the relay, but that is cool. I'm gonna get an impact cam of the classic leveling. epic. One more time, and then I'll actually go, but like I said, you don't see something like this too often, so we have to give it another spin. Colorado Springs is a treasure for vintage elevators. There's your old Dover logo. Here's your hallway. Here's your call station. And blend on one. I love the relay sound. And we should move. There we go. I wonder why it says 2007 up there. That's weird. Also, I have to say, the layout where they put the panel is really interesting. I've never seen a panel layout like that before. That is really unique and really, really cool. Anyways, I'll send it up a few floors, so we'll watch the numbers on the outside as it goes up. And there it goes. Very nice vintage elevator doors, too. You can hear the shaking and rattling it does as it moves. But anyway, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.